Welcome everyone. Today is the World Mental Health Day. Today is very important day. We are here to celebrate World Mental Health Day, not in the way it is to make the world a better place, to help the people who are having problems with mental illness. If we are not letting them come out, we will go and help them. How we get to know? Before that, let's have some facts about world mental health. As per India today, mental health is one of the neglected areas of public health. About 1 billion people, yes, 1 billion people are living with mental disorder. And 3 million people die every year from harmful use of alcohol. And one person dies every 40 seconds by committing suicide. These all are the facts, my dear friends. So it means we need to take some serious action. If we won't take today, then when? And today we have a person who needs no introduction, but still we have to introduce her. She will be talking about how we can deal with it. She will talk about how we can get rid of the negative thoughts. She will talk about how we can master the mind. Today's topic is marshal the mind, and we have very special person today, Dr. Anjum Padya. Dr. Anjum Padya is an assistant professor, Department of Physical Education, Sports Science, Deshbandhu College, University of Delhi. Dr. Padyal is holding world rank 8 in aerobics gymnastics in Suzuki World Cup, Tokyo, Japan, 2006. She has been appointed as an observer in Asian Indoor Games 2005. Also, she has been appointed as a sports psychologist for World University Games Italy 2019. She has completed successfully PhD in sports psychology. She also holds PG diploma in sports management. She also has MP. She's also MP gold medalist. Yes, gold medalist and BP gold medalist from the best college of Asia, LNIPE Gwalior. She has a specialization in yoga, aerobics, and aqua aerobics and gymnastics. My dear friend, just hold on. She has been assigned special duties as a member of selection committee DU, member of curriculum development committee, member of Fit India Movement Committee DU, member of selection committee DU. Just hold on. She has presented many international research papers across the globe. She has written books on yoga and stress management for Delhi University, curriculum, aerobics, a way to fitness. Her 2 books are best-selling on Amazon, Marshal the Mind and Encyclopedia for Gym Trainers. Welcome, ma'am, on the platform, and it's good to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was not a brief introduction. It was very elaborated introduction. Thank you so much. And today only one of my other book has been listed on Amazon, Nutri Yoga, which will be available for sale for another 48 hours. Hope it is also can also become Amazon bestseller because we have put all my heart and soul in that book with my co-author Neetu Sharma. So mental health, yes, you have absolutely quoted very well, neglected area. So how it is neglected? So Marshal the Mind, I have written in 2018, which has become Amazon bestseller, and I have dedicated it to my daughter and my son-in-law. How I turned out towards the study of brain, and later on I have studied the psychology and sports psychology. Psychology was my core area during my bachelor's and master's also, but along with physiology. So anatomy and physiology was my core area, bachelor and master, and psychology because I always had inclination towards the psychology. And being a gold medalist, I was very good in every subject: biomechanics, kinesiology, nutrition, sports nutrition. So till then, I was gold medalist, bachelor's, master's in theory. In practical aspect, I was international gymnast, all India inter-university gold medalist, first year, second year, third year, and happily got married with my dream boy. After that, when I got pregnant, so there was a very typical condition, 1 in million, a paralytic condition during the pregnancy. So that was my turning point because till then, everybody taught me, and for the matter of fact, taught us healthy body keeps healthy mind. Okay. So I was international aerobic gymnast. I was expert. I was conducting 8 sessions of aerobics in a day in my aerobic center. Very famous, successful, and suddenly a very common phenomena for a woman to become, pregnant and deliver a child. It is a common phenomena for a women body. It has came as a havoc. So medical sciences, they didn't have any answer for that condition, and they have sold me many theories because being a scientist, I used to ask what happened, हुआ क्या है मेरी body में. So they didn't have any answer. So they said delivery के बाद सब ठीक हो जाएगा because maybe the womb size is so small for the baby and nerves are under compression and the blood circulation has gone and blah blah blah. So I got it. But after the delivery, now my question from the medical science was, now the baby is out, the compression is off, massages are going on, Ayurveda kadha and medicine, everything we are following, and still I'm in the same condition. So it's not for 40 days, it's for 3 months, and now the 4 month has finished. Generally, it is a notion in Indian culture that any disease, if it occurs during the pregnancy, it will go and fade away after the delivery within 3 months. 90 days is sufficient to fade out. So after 4 months, everybody was in panic. Now, what is going to happen? Am I going to lie down throughout my life now? Can you imagine a gymnast doing saltos, backflips, handsprings, cartwheel, jumping from the beam, dismounting from parallel bar, just lying down and asking each time she needs help to get up. And in a day, at least a human has to get up around 6 to 8 times for even to, use the washroom. So that was the condition. And from there, when medical sciences had no answer, and I am left out only with my brain, I understood that it is now the brain which is going to help me out. If I go in depression, who is going to take care of my daughter? So I was very brave, and my family, kept that spirit high. My mother is a hockey captain from IP College 1966 batch, 67 batch. My husband is gymnast. So we are a sports family. That's why everybody was having a high hopes, and stress, anxiety, or depression kind of a thing never occurred to me. The 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 question was in front of us now: how to deal it, how to manage it, how to conquer it. And from there, I have understood now this is through my brain only. I can move my limbs, I can move my muscles because being a scientist, I knew the neuroconnections. And from there, after 4.5 months, after a major nervous breakdown, I said, okay, let me recover because now I have a beautiful daughter blessed, by God. I have to take care of her. I have to make her something like my mother did for me. So that was the motivation behind. So one thing for mental health, you need a motivation. So don't lose your motivation. Now from here only, the today's society is we are very demotivating. Any brilliant or any new idea which the older generation of mine is failed to understand, we always tell the younger generation, don't even try it. You are going to fail. So I'm just correlating the, how I conquered myself and how I am preaching now and teaching people what to do. So motivation was the major factor, my beautiful daughter. And second motivation was I am a sports scientist. I know only physical activities. If I can't move my limbs, how I'm going to survive with my profession? And that my profession is my passion. So how I'm going to live without my passion? Second motivation was that. So both the motivations were so high that I used to feel adrenal rush that I have to do it. So this is where the chemical compositions start balancing. So I have never secreted cortisol, that is a stress hormone, because I was never been in a stress. I was always working through my brain how to deal with it, what I can do, what better can be done. So that's the mantra. That's how I fought, with my condition. Secondly, after that, I have started neuro-linguistic programming. I started to tell my subconscious mind, move your hand, move, lift it up. So I have made the connection between my muscular cells, muscle cells, and the neurons. So being a scientist, I knew there are the afferent nerve, there are the efferent nerve. So one is taking the sensation towards the brain, one is, coming with the command from the brain to move. So that commanding, I have built the connection through my brain to that muscle. I don't know what happened. Still, we don't know through the medical sciences what happened to me. But through that connection, I used to command my hand to move. And from there, the first time I knew how I'm going to do it. So I could do the folding of the small quilt of a little daughter. And it took me, of course, it took me 18 months. Now you need a patience also. You need to know, and you must know you can conquer anything in the world. But the patience is the name of the game. So बहुत समय तक मेरा ये स्टेटस भी रहा मेरे डीपीज में, मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे, patience is the name of the game. When you think, when you feel the things are out of your hand and you have no answer to that question or that situation, have patience. Because losing your mind, losing your brain, losing your thought process is not going to, get you to any end. So just avoid it. Take a deep breath, have patience, redesign, rethink, always be in a positive thinking process. I'm not saying just about positive thinking, जो कि अभी चल रहा है, everybody, saying to everyone, be positive, be positive. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about positive thinking means a process, means redesign whatever you want to do again and again. Go back to the thought process and think about it. What are all possibilities are there? What can be done? Maybe it is beyond imagination. That's why innovations come up. जब लोग कहीं stuck हो गए तभी innovation हुआ, है ना? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है.
Yes, yes.
So आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. You must think about, if you feel like you are trapped in a situation of life somewhere, so just bang all the doors. One will open. Surely one will open. But you have to have that courage and patience to bang each and every door. But because lack of motivation in today's society and from every nook and corner, the students and the young generation is listening about, you will be failed. You will be loser. If you don't achieve this, if you have not achieved this, there is no way out. अगर एडमिशन आईआईटी में नहीं हुआ तो there is no way out. That's why students think about, okay, then when there is no way out left for me, let me go for the suicide. That's the easy way.
That's why we are here to talk about how we can help that person who has that negative thought, and how we can help the person to get rid of that negative thought. Before going there, as you shared your story, it's very moving. I had no idea you have gone through this land and a champion, a winner, Olympics level. So, what happened after 18 months, as you mentioned? How you went through, and were you able to stand up and straight and get back to doctor like this is what I found, and this is my theory or this is your theory, and this I proved wrong. Like how you put it.
Uh, I can't prove them wrong because they didn't give me any theory. They didn't give me any theory. उनके पास तो कोई theory ही नहीं था. So, and we are talking about 1995. So going back and criticizing anyone or challenging anyone, still I don't do. Still I don't do. अभी भी बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म पे कोई लोग अगर गलत भी कहते हैं, I don't just challenge them. I just say my things. So during that 18 months, slowly, gradually, from folding that quilt, then of course getting up, standing up by my own, lifting my body, and then moving step by step inside my home only. Then I started to, just we have a very huge park. So I just started to walk around in that park, then another park, and then I used to go visit, starting, walking in district park. So from there, from walking, I have started. But meanwhile, Rahul, I have gained 27 kgs. It was 25 to 27 kgs I have gained because first, my body always had a practice of, intense training throughout my life. Since seventh class, I was a national player. So my body had that adaptation of high quality, intense training. And I was bedridden. So there was no calorie, expenditure. And then you need to eat healthy because when you are pregnant, you need to eat healthy. After delivery, you need to eat healthy because you have to, feed your baby. So I have gained. So that was, I used to have exhaustion level was high, fatigue was high, muscle pain was so intense that every 4 hours I used to have overall injection. The but gradually, when I have started working every 1 hour, after every 1 hour, I made it a point I have to go for 5 minute exercise, exercising anything, just starting lifting my hand, lifting my leg. Even if I'm, lying down on a bed, um, I used to try move my body, move my limb, my right limb. And gradually it has started. When it has started, so everybody got so excited, and nutrition was one of the part we have taken care. We have made too many decoction from the Ayurvedic, uh, you know, recipes, I would say. बहुत सारे नुस्खे हम लोगों ने वो किए, and then we have prepared very typical oils after studying so much about Ayurveda. My mother also studied the Ayurveda books. I also studied during that time, and my 24-hour help, my maid used to, go and search for those जड़ी बूटियां, वो ढूंढ ढूंढ कर लाती थी कहाँ कहाँ से. And then everybody was, up to that. So that was a team effort, and team always win. That's why one should not feel that I am all alone. And that's my another message to the society. You have just asked about the mantra. The mantra is for the whole society. Never leave anyone alone. Specifically, like my mother always guided us, किसी के सुख में मत जाओ. अगर किसी के सुख में मिस हो गया, मत जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, बट किसी के भी दुख में जरूर जाओ. But what is happening, what I am observing right now, because I'm in university system dealing with, for past 30 years dealing a youth, and every 10 years generation changes, it happens. So what I'm feeling now, that the society, and even for the matter of fact, the family leave a person alone. Now here comes the comparison of siblings, or comparison with Gupta ji ka beta or Sharma ji ka beta. That comparison. Because of that, हम अपने ही बच्चों के साथ, we have become enemy. I have seen parents talking so rubbish about their own kid in front of the second kid, or, for the matter of fact, for their they're in high praise for one kid and they are kind of using abusive languages for the other kid. Do you have all the fingers same length? Do you have all the fingers, they are the same? They all are different. Parents are failed to understand that. Teachers are failed to understand that. As a teacher also, I am a very big critic of education system where we all teachers love all the 10 students who are, topper. And we always neglect the last benchers. Why? We need to get down to their level to understand what type of a problem they are having. Right now, yesterday only one of my students is successfully working in Dubai, running their own 80 buses fleet. And he said, मुझे पढ़ाई में कुछ समझ नहीं आता. I failed to understand any subject of physics, chemistry, maths. I was good in creation. So he took mass communication in university so that he can understand each and everything a little. That's all he wanted. And now a young chap of 23 years old, he is running a business in Dubai. So in education system also, we have to come out of this rat race of marks, a rat race of getting admission only in good colleges. I always ask when people come to take admission in Deshbandhu College, Delhi University, why do you want to take admission in Delhi University? Kyunki madam naam hai. What do you mean by naam hai? And I have seen parents crying in front of our admission window. कि मैडम अगर एडमिशन नहीं मिला तो इसका क्या होगा? I said there are so many options because I am a career counselor from UCLA, USA. So I have I have a big list of what can be done. So हमारा whole society, parenting system, teaching system, education system, and the work culture, it has all deteriorated. We are moving so fast that we couldn't guide our society and we couldn't prepare our society for that challenges. हमने वो preparation नहीं की. So we are just pushing our young generation into that, comparing everything. एक बहुत अच्छा मेरे पास WhatsApp पे एक जोक था या जो भी था कि उसमें एक बच्चा पूछता है अपने पेरेंट्स से कि क्या मैंने कभी आपको कंपेयर किया अंबानी से? Why you are not become the prime minister of the country? Why you are not become, the as successful as Mr. Ambani? Have I questioned your caliber? How you are questioning each and every time about my caliber? So the generation is now rebellious. Either they are in escapism or they are rebellious, जिनको हम फिर कह देते हैं बदतमीज बच्चे हो गए. Because they are in question. They are in a very good thought process to question all of us when we are, pointing finger to them. The three fingers are towards us only. So society needs to find out the answer and balancing. Now, third mantra is balancing. Life is all about balancing yourself. In a low tide also and in a high tide also. When you are successful, that time also you need to balance yourself because there are so many examples of downfall. Not only of a person, of a business houses that once they were on the peak and then they just fall down. So maintaining and balancing yourself on the peak, that is very important. And balancing your thought process during the low tide, when you are struggling, that is also very important to balance. So off balance hona, I'm a gymnast, so I know how balancing is very important. So off balance hona to hamesha hi giraega. That's the theory. A gravitational force hai hamare paas, so hum hamesha गिरेंगे.
So what do you mean by balancing? Like you are working, so we will be balancing. Can you just explain it a bit more?
Yeah, sure. So balancing, if we talk about the yoga, we talk about the balancing between the body, mind, and soul. As a modern sports scientist, sports psychologist, we tell people to balance your routine. First of all, when you are getting up, what is your sleep algorithm? Rhythm. We call it circadian rhythm. What is that? You need to be in balancing your everyday. So balances start from not only for getting up, sleeping, eating, doing your tasks. So time management comes. Balancing your mind, anger management, the panic attacks, anxiety. People are very anxious. People are going to attend a marriage, but in a household, they are fighting. We are late. You are not ready. So are we going to enjoy that marriage, or the whole time through that journey we are going to fight? You are late, or I am late. Who is late? And when I quote this example from any platform, all the women said, "Ma'am, ये तो ऐसा लगता है हमारी ही कहानी है," because मैम उनको बोलते हैं ये घर घर की कहानी है. So the balancing is, what is the purpose? Any task, what is the purpose? आप पार्टी में जा रहे हो, आप किस लिए जा रहे हो? आप खुश होने के लिए जा रहे हो, आप एंजॉय करने के लिए जा रहे हो, बट मूड ऑफ घर से शुरू हो जाता है. So not balancing, or the basic reason is time management. If both the parties manage their time well, they can both, get out of the home together. But एक गाड़ी में बैठा हुआ हॉर्न बजा रहा है, दूसरा अभी तैयार नहीं हुआ है, या something or going on, or she is just doing, managing the house, कहाँ पे लॉक लगाना है, कहाँ पे नहीं, but other person, he just don't do any work, वो तो अपना तैयार होकर गाड़ी में बैठ गया. So you need to understand the situation, sit and talk about it. And lastly, communication is the main key. People stop talking. Whenever they are in stress, they isolate themselves. They stop talking. बच्चे आजकल अपने आप को एक confine कर लेते हैं अपने रूम में. They are just on internet, or, even now come to the social media. That is again creating a problem. Although COVID में बहुत साथ दिया है social media ने, we got, एक social cohesion चल रहा था, एक दूसरे के साथ communication चल रहा था. The world was apart, lockdown की वजह से, but the world has come very closer. That's true. But somebody, I don't know from which part of the Asia, she has asked, I just want to go for the suicide. Shall I? Yes or no? उसने voting कराया Instagram पे. People said yes, and she committed suicide. So now the decision, you are giving your all authority and decision in the hands of others. Sit and talk to yourself. So in the Marshall the Mind book, my last page is Apo Deepo Bhav. And try to meet your soul, because that soul is crying to meet one of the refined person. That is you. And that's why I always tell, हमने धरती नाप दी, आकाश नाप दिया, अब तो civil persons भी बाहर, out of earth एक चक्कर लगाकर आ गए हैं recently. But हमें अपनी depth नहीं पता. So now the solution. According to psychology, the depression or the stress or anxiety or panic attack, they are all chemical locha, chemical drama. So now we have to handle those. All the medical help, they can provide you only the painkillers, sleeping pills. That's all.
And one word, get well soon.
Get well soon. Yeah. That youth, they have find out, about the alcoholism or some or the other substances they are using right now. This is the truth of the society. People are either adopting for hippism or escapism. That is again another reality. So हम भाग रहे हैं, लेकिन हम भाग किससे रहे हैं? हमारा वजूद तो हमारे साथ ही रहना है, हमें किसी को आंसर नहीं देना है, बट आंसर तो हमें अपने आप को देना है. So the thing is, stop there and then. Sit down, relax yourself, start taking deep breath. As soon as you start taking a deep breath, with that inhalation, oxygen level, rises up inside the body and mind. So all the neurons, all the cells, those who are working in a thought process and physical and psychological activity, they get their nourishment. So you are feeding their stomach. As soon as they start getting nourishment, they can also get into the stable state, and they can also think about what to do, why we are rushing. Sometimes have you seen, सब लोग भागे भागे जा रहे हैं, लेकिन एक बार अगर थम कर देखें तो हम भाग क्यों रहे हैं? How much time we can save? 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, एक मेट्रो चलेगी, दूसरी आ जाएगी. Either you come up, या तो टाइम मैनेज करो, या फिर मैं पैनिक मत हो. Then be ready, okay, लेट पहुंचूंगा, डांट पिटेगी, okay fine. हम दोनों दोनों नौकाओं में सवार नहीं हो सकते. कोई हमें कुछ कहे भी ना, पर हम टाइम भी मैनेज नहीं करेंगे, उससे क्या होगा? आपकी ही बॉडी पे इफेक्ट है. सो मेंटल इफेक्ट्स जो है वो सारे केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशंस पे है. नाउ बेस्ट पार्ट इज all the chemical compositions are already inside. Aham Brahmasmi. Ancient time पे हमें समझा दिया गया था 5000 years ago. Aham Brahmasmi means ब्रह्मांड की, यूनिवर्स की एनर्जी पूरी मेरे अपने अंदर है. Every individual has it. Now you need to manage it. You need to recognize. So scientifically, if I get into the stress, I'll get thyroid secretion and I'll get cortisol hormone secretion through my endocrine gland. But if I am positive and happy, if I see, okay, never mind, let's see what we can do. And when you find out the solution, or you are in a midway of finding, yes, I can find out the solution, the happy hormone starts secreting. That is dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphin. So कोई मेडिसिन नहीं चाहिए हमको, क्योंकि मेडिसिन सिर्फ हमें स्लीपिंग मोड में डाल सकती है, जिससे हमारा और डिप्राइवेशन होगा, हमारे ग्लैंड्स काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, हमारा बॉडी सिस्टम जो है वो डिपेंडेंट हो जाता है. एंड दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद डिपेंडेंसी ऑन अल्कोहल एंड डिपेंडेंसी ऑन दीज सब्सटेंसेस. सो लेट मी टेल all the young generation through this platform that all the substances people are using, they give you euphoria or they give you a calmness for a certain amount of time, 3 hours, 4 hours. But if you successfully can secrete all the happy hormones within your body, 24 hours you will be happy, you will be in euphoria, you will, every challenge you will say, okay, what's next? This is done. What's next? Give me some challenge. I'm ready to do it. That's why some people are running multiple projects. And that's why some person just, throw the resignation because he cannot manage a one project. Now from here, I would come back to the physical activity. Why it was necessary for me to reduce down the weight even after the movement. Movement आ गया, सब आ गया, मैं वैसे भी रह सकती थी. 97 में I got the job of a government school teacher as a physical education teacher. But my challenge was, no, I want my body back. So सबसे पहले, before controlling your mind, control your body. The correct physical activity will help you to secrete all the happy hormones. So हम अपने अंदर, in psychology we say fountain of endocrine system or fountain of hormones. You can flow it. कोई medicine का जरूरत नहीं. So if I come back to the physical activity, one of the very renowned corporate house, business house, was giving a presentation, and that was Anil Ambani. He was giving his first presentation on his first project. Dhirubhai Ambani was alive at that time. He was also sitting in the meeting. The project was for some US company, and when he has finished his project, the person who was supposed to give him that contract, a US person, he said, Mr. Ambani, Mr. Anil Ambani, your project is absolutely perfect. I know this project, the planning is everything is perfect, but I am not going to give this project to you. And everybody was in shock because everybody thought they are going to get that. He said, I can give it to Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, but you are not going to handle my project. He said, why? And that time Anil Ambani was obese. So he said, when you cannot manage your own body, how you are going to manage my project? So execution will not be as accurate as it is mentioned in your presentation. That is the time when Anil Ambani has started running, and till date he runs Mumbai Marathon. So don't lose your health on these substances. Try to get back, try to achieve back your body. Maintain your physical health so that all the happy hormones can be secreted. And if your body is like me, okay, you are under paralytic condition or any kind of this different kind of challenges, then prepare your mind to conquer it. Do not lose the battle. अगर मैं वहां पर हार जाती तो battle lose कर जाती. So be the fighter. Life is a name of the spirit. So in modern context, when we talk about yoga, that is a union of body, mind and spirit. कई books में आपको spirit नाम मिलेगा instead of soul. Because your spirit is your soul. How you want to go ahead in your life, what you want to achieve, what is the purpose, that's your spirit. So you need to maintain this balance. So through balance, I mean to say your physical activities, your mental food for the thought, and your spirit, how you want to go ahead. जीना तो है ना, जिसे कहते जीना तो पड़ेगा, हंस के या रो के. तो रोने का कोई बात ही नहीं है.
So, ma'am, I have a question. If by chance I will try to inculcate these habits, but again, for 35 years I have few habits, so it will take time to get rid of these negative or the other patterns. So if I have a negative thought, keeps coming to me, like I will get this disease. We have seen COVID-19 hitting. You have this, मुझे ना हो जाए, मुझे हो गया तो. If you have this thought again and again coming back to you again daily, and you have this fear, how to tackle this thought, this negative thought, what to do, how to get rid of, to jana, how to get rid of that thought. This is
सबसे पहले
something.
get rid of your TV channels.
So I do not have TV at all for
Right.
4 to 5 years. I do not read newspapers. So, but due to like
Yeah.
we have seen.
No, that was my suggestion to everyone, because really it happened during COVID, when me and my husband was used to watch news of COVID and बहुत कुछ हो रहा था. It was giving us the mental impact. If he is going to the market to purchase vegetable, fruits or something, I'm talking about the severe lockdown when it happened in March, April. So आने के बाद इतना सारा हम लोगों को टेक केयर करना पड़ता था. सब्जियां भी बिल्कुल नमक में है, इसमें है, दैट्स वेरी गुड. लेकिन आफ्टर दैट क्या होता था, जितनी हम न्यूज सुनते थे ऐसा लगता हमें भी सांस नहीं आ रही. हम भी बाहर से आए हैं तो कहीं हमें भी कुछ ना, शायद कुछ हो रहा है. टेम्परेचर चेक कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को चेक कर रहे हैं. सो इट हैपेंस. सो इसको हम बोलते हैं सोशल इम्पैक्ट, सोसाइटी का इम्पैक्ट. Although it is a duty of channels also to give us the right information what is exactly happening, but sometimes they are just projecting it in a very different manner, that it was impacting very negatively. तुम तो बहुत छोटे हो, 35 years के. I got a call from Supreme Court judge, 65-year-old, a very wisdomful person, and he said, Dr. Anju, मुझे नहीं पता मैं किससे help मांगूं, but I thought I have heard you during one of the talk and everything, so I need help. I really need help. I don't know मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. I said, what happened? So he said, कि I'm a social person. I have so many WhatsApp groups, and in every group, मिनट पे कहीं ना कहीं से कोई डेथ की खबर आ रही है because of the COVID. Now I am getting stressed, anxious, what to do. So I told her start pranayama, breathing, because इस टाइम पे किसी को बोलो आसन शुरू करो तो उनको लगेगा कि भाई घुटने में दर्द है या कहीं कोई इंजरी ना हो जाए. Nobody can, outrightly start performing. So Sukshma Vyayama I have introduced a Potli, that was Kapoor, Ajwain, and one more thing was there, Kapoor and Ajwain. That's all, 2 things. So उसको सुन ताकि आपको ये एक confidence रहे, yes, I am doing something जिससे मेरे को नहीं होने वाला. So you need to, find out the way to satisfy your mental thought कि हमें नहीं होने वाला. So इसके 2 option है. One, think about, कभी भी ऐसी situation हो, चलो कोविड तो थी ही मरने वाली situation हम लोगों की, पर वैसे भी always think about the worst कि इससे worst क्या हो जाएगा. चलो ठीक है, इससे वर्स्ट तो कुछ नहीं होगा, सो कम बैक ना. हम वर्स्ट के लिए तैयार रहेंगे, चाहे वो फेलियर है, चाहे वो डेथ है, चाहे वो कुछ भी है. वो देखो, डेथ इज द रियलिटी. लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी रियलिटी जिंदगी नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी रियलिटी तो डेथ है. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, हम उससे भाग नहीं सकते. लेट्स बी प्रिपेयर. सो प्रिपरेशन इज, वो हमारे हाथ में है. हम हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन से रह सकते हैं. अब रहा थिंकिंग प्रोसेस देखो, राहुल सिर्फ बोलने से पॉजिटिव नहीं होगी, वो तो हम सभी एक दूसरे को बोल रहे थे. सो स्टार्ट डूइंग योगा, स्टार्ट डूइंग फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प टू सेक्रेट द हैप्पी हार्मोन. सो कईयों का रिएक्शन आपने बड़ा डिफरेंट देखा होगा, अरे क्या हुआ, मर ही तो जाएंगे. डोंट वरी, उनको कुछ नहीं हुआ. One of the student was in my YTTC 500 hours जो मैं कराती हूँ योगा अलायंस यूएसए से. उसमें एक गुड़गांव से लड़की थी और उसने बोला कि मैम, आई एम द लाइव एग्जाम्पल. मैं किसी के कांटेक्ट में नहीं आई थी और मुझे कोविड हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ माय मेंटल थॉट्स. इन द सेंस, कहीं ना कहीं तो कोविड का वो आया होगा वायरस उनकी सोसाइटी में, लेकिन बोली मैं और मेरे पेरेंट्स, हम तीनों बिल्कुल घर में ही रहते थे, लेकिन मुझे हर वक्त लगता था कोविड हो जाएगा, कोविड हो जाएगा. मैं अपने हाथ भी 4 बार धोती थी उठ. और रियली मैं बता रही हूँ कि आई वॉज बिहेविंग एक्सेंट्रिकली. मेरे पेरेंट्स को कुछ नहीं हुआ. सब्जी फल तो बाहर से, मैंने बोला कुछ तो बाहर से आ ही रहा होगा. डेफिनेटली सब्जी फल जो भी बाहर से आ रहा था, सर्वेंट लेकर डिलीवर करके जो भी चले जाते थे. उसके बाद उसने इतना सब वॉश किया, सब कुछ किया. उसके पेरेंट्स ठीक रहे, जो उससे काफी एल्डर हैं, उसको कोविड. Through this mental process, we are making our defense system very weak. So how the defense system work? Now from this, celebration of 10th October, World Mental Health Day, I want to give survival mantra, survival for the fittest. So survival mantra to everyone: keep your mind not only healthy as a way of thought process, but also involve yourself in physical activity जिसका aim सिर्फ ये हो that supply more and more oxygen into your body, into your cells, because cells are the defense system. If the cells will, if you weaken up your cells, it is not going to be healthy for you. They can't defend because they themselves are deprived. They themselves are fighting for their own survival. So how come they can fight with the sudden, the strange virus which is coming inside the body or trying to penetrate? So cells are our defense system. So we need to keep ourselves feeding them through our thought process that we are hale and healthy and we can survive. So while eating everything, give a message through neuro-linguistic programming to your subconscious mind. I am eating milk. I am drinking milk. It's going to flow inside my body and energize my calcium. Conscious eating. हम लोग इतना टीवी देखते देखते खाना पीना खाते हैं कि बॉडी को हाइपोथैलेमस को पता भी नहीं लगता खाया क्या है. Sometimes we ask, अच्छा हमने ये खा लिया, finish कर लिया. So we require a conscious eating. If you are drinking a tulsi kana, just feed your body, relax, sit, enjoy one.
Yes, ma'am, well said.
Right.
So,
So this is the way how our body can be fed. Not only nutrition, but also the food for the thought.
So, point is, I feel you have to give more oxygen to yourself, right?
Yeah.
By deep breathing, by conscious eating, and by doing physical exercises. In this way, you will be able to get rid of the negative thoughts also, and you have a good defensive system.
Yes. And योग में तो 5000 साल पहले कह दिया था, प्राणा इज आधार. प्राणा हमारा आधार है. और प्राण क्या है? दैट इज द फ्लो ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, वायु का फ्लो. सो टू मेंटेन हाई ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And you know, we have many alveoli, thousands of alveoli inside our lungs, which can be activated. But when we are non-active, they all become non-active. So we have lot of, alveoli, which are the air sacs, which can consume more and more oxygen within us. And oxygen ही हमारा जो है defense mechanism है, हमारा आधार है, हमारा health है. Must increase that level. Also the thought process, because if you there is an experiment I would like to share here. There is an experiment in the research fraternity that एक पौधे को दो पौधे लिए, there were the two plants, and one has been blessed every day. The person was talking very positive. You are so beautiful. You generate so much oxygen. You are giving life to us. And the other plant has been cursed. उसको गालियां दी गई. उसको इतना कुछ बोला गया, किसी काम का नहीं है, फ्रूट नहीं आते, ये नहीं आते, वो मुरझा गया. जबकि सेम सॉइल, सेम सब कुछ रखा गया था. This is the experiment. Sound, whatever we are speaking, that sound, हम किसी और को अगर कुछ कर्स कर रहे हैं, रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा भी तो कान सुन रहे हैं, हमारा सोल भी सुन रहा है. तो अगर आप किसी को कर्स करते हैं, अगर आप किसी को गालियां दे रहे हैं, डोंट थिंक कि वो उनको क्यों कहते हैं सारी गालियां अपने आप को लगती है, बिकॉज दैट इज हर्टिंग योर ओन सोल ऑल्सो, योर ओन माइंड. किसी से थोड़ी सी लड़ाई हो जाती है, हमारा कितनी देर तक मूड ऑफ है. सो ऐसे किसी भी इंसिडेंट में अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व ना करें, गॉसिपिंग में इन्वॉल्व ना करें, फैमिली में कभी कभी, या ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स. अनदर फैक्टर why people are very much disturbed in corporate life, because of the leg pulling, because of the fighting and office politics. My question now, I am leaving one question for whole society. Because if one suicide occurs, if one person goes into depression, the whole society is in question. My pain point is, इतनी बड़ी जनसंख्या में, दुनिया में, population में, he didn't have even a single person to talk about, जिससे वो बात कर लेता. Because suicide is a very big step. So आने वाले समय में और challenges हैं, post COVID world बिल्कुल different होने वाला है. So my question to the society, that why we want to lead a society every time, challenging the self-esteem of a person. हम क्यों दूसरों की सेल्फ एस्टीम को हमेशा चैलेंज करना चाहते हैं, क्वेश्चंस करना चाहते हैं? लीव एवरीवन अलोन. Somebody can reach to the top early, somebody may reach to the top little late, and people who are standing on the halfway, even they can see the beauty of the world. They can also enjoy the beauty of the world. जरूरी नहीं है सभी टॉप पर पहुंचे, और सबका टॉप भी डिफरेंट होता है. That is different. Success is not achieving anything. Success is to conquer the failure each time. That is the success. रीचिंग समवेयर इज नॉट अ सक्सेस, बिकॉज वहां रीच होने के बाद आपके पास दूसरा चैलेंज होना चाहिए, वरना लाइफ तो वहीं फिनिश हो जाएगी. व्हाई ऑल द कॉर्पोरेट, द टॉप मोस्ट बिजनेस हाउसेस आर रनिंग मल्टीपल बिजनेसेस? क्यों नहीं घर बैठकर आराम से एक बिजनेस पे खाते और सोते हैं? बिकॉज वंस यू अचीव समथिंग you need another challenge, and that's why successful people are running so many projects, because they know how the success mean to them and how they are ready to next challenge. उनके दिमाग में पहले से होता है ये प्रोजेक्ट खत्म होगा तो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट हो. लाइक इन बुक राइटिंग, आज मेरा न्यूट्री योगा का अमेज़न पे लिस्टिंग होगा. मेरा तत्वा योगा एक और ब्रांड जो मैं एस्टैब्लिश करा रही हूँ अपने मेंटोरशिप में, उसका किताब जो है वो पूरा ईमेल पर कंप्लीट हो चुका है. टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड टू माय पब्लिकेशन. नेक्स्ट इज वेलनेस ट्रैक, नेक्स्ट इज न्यूट्रीफिट. सो हर प्रोजेक्ट लाइन पे ही होता है. So once you have that essence of success, that essence of completion, accomplishment, to complete one project, you will ask for the second project, you will ask for the next challenge, you will search for the next challenge. So running from the challenges is not the life. Conquering that challenge, what was my next challenge, Rahul? That was because I was All India Inter-University Gold Medalist thrice. My unfulfilled dream was I have not represented India. एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जब अपनी हड्डियां तोड़ाता है तो वो देश के लिए तोड़ना चाहता है. सो मैंने इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट नहीं किया. सो एट द एज ऑफ 33 I have built my body. I came up with that international fitness level that I have represented India in Suzuki World Cup 2006 Tokyo, and I conquered and I have won world rank 8. India की पहली टीम गई थी वो aerobic gymnastics में. So fine, I was back into my passion. I was running my aerobic classes. I was a physical education teacher, but my unfulfilled dream was I have not represented India. So I took a challenge. I am going to represent my India. And after that, since then, I am the head of delegation for various world championships, टोक्यो की तो हम तब से 15 साल 17 साल से जा ही रहे हैं. देन ओलंपिक ऑब्जर्वर इन ओलंपिक गेम्स, देन वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप, देन वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स. दीज आर द नेक्स्ट चैलेंजेस. यू हैव टू अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ. यू कैन नॉट स्टैग्नेट. स्टैग्नेशन क्या होता है? ठहरे पानी में, पानी जीवन है, जल ही जीवन है, पर ठहरे पानी में क्या होता है? डेंगू के मच्छर चेक करने आते हैं लोग कि ठहरा पानी तो नहीं है. सो अपने आप को ठहरने नहीं देना. जीवन चलने का नाम है. सो जस्ट कांटा आएगा, ठोकर लगेगी, पत्थर आएगा, बट उन सबको हमने निकालना है और आगे बढ़ना है. वी कैन नॉट स्टॉप. डोंट स्टॉप लिविंग. एक्सेप्ट चैलेंजेस. डोंट रन फ्रॉम चैलेंज. आउटकम हमेशा है. ठीक है, कभी कभार हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन से कम आउटकम रहेगा, लेकिन आउटकम तो आए. आई एम सो हैप्पी बैगिंग द 8th रैंक, बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया की टीम गई थी, 8वां रैंक लेकर हम लोग वापस आए. आई हैव नेवर cried on कि मैं फर्स्ट क्यों नहीं आई, थर्ड क्यों नहीं आई, फिफ्थ क्यों नहीं आई, because I knew my situation, my condition. I knew it. So somewhere you have to satisfy your needs. Somewhere you have to satisfy. सभी को फरारी चाहिए, लेकिन फरारी जितना का काम कर रहे हो? फरारी का पोस्टर तो हर बच्चे के रूम में लग जाता है हमारे यहाँ. फरारी लेना बहुत आसान है अगर आप उस पर चलते रहे, पेशेंस के साथ काम करते रहे, तो फरारी खरीदना कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं.
We I'm overwhelmed with your personal story at first, and then so many deep messages that still, मतलब कि अब तक कहाँ था मैं? Like so many.
लास्ट मंत्र दे दूं राहुल, एक और मंत्र
Yeah,
हैप्पीनेस का,
please.
बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांट एवरीबॉडी टू बी हैप्पी। सी, सबसे पहले डिसाइड आपको क्या खुशी मिलती है। ठीक है, मैं अकेले सब कुछ रहने में मेरे को खुशी मिलती है, लेकिन अगर मैं फैमिली सिस्टम में हूँ तो मुझे वो कमिटमेंट्स पूरी करनी पड़ेगी, है ना। सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड फर्स्ट how you want, what is the purpose of your life, what you want to achieve. And lastly, happiness is always in giving. Make yourself not a taker, just a giver. That's why जब when sometimes people say कि पैसे से खुशी आती है या नहीं, I always say both the things. पैसा टेंशन भी लाता है, बट पैसा खुशी ला सकता है अगर आप उस पैसे को सोसाइटी में गिव बैक के लिए। अभी आपके इंटरव्यू से पहले, जस्ट आई एम इन लॉस एंजलिस राइट नाउ, somebody called me that you have an experience of running NGO. इंडियन कम्युनिटीज के पास दिवाली आने वाला है, बहुत सारे पुराने कपड़े निकाल रहे हैं। एक दो ही संस्थाएं हैं जो काम कर रही हैं यहाँ पर, और उन्होंने भी बोर्ड लगा दिया है कि वी कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट क्लोथ्स नाउ। अब क्या किया जाए? कैन यू डू समथिंग? आई सेड यस। अभी अफगानी रिफ्यूजीज अमेरिका में बहुत आए हैं अभी रिसेंटली, आप सभी ने देखा होगा, अफगानिस्तान से बहुत रिफ्यूजीज है। सो वी हैव कॉन्टेक्टेड टू रिफ्यूजीज ऑफ अफगानिस्तानी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो कपड़े हैं अभी सडनली कल्चरल शॉक है, कल्चरल चेंज है, दे नीड सलवार कमीज, दे नीड लंबी शर्ट्स, यू नो, जो हम लोग इंडियंस पहनते हैं। सो आई सेड लेट अस कॉन्टेक्ट टू देम, हम अपने कपड़े सारे उन लोगों को दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज उनके पास इस टाइम पे कपड़ों का क्राइसिस चल रहा है। सो यू नीड टू find out the way how you want to give back to the society. How I teach my students in देशबंधु कॉलेज एंड दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, जो कि 17.5 से 18.5 साल का फर्स्ट ईयर का बच्चा जब हमारे पास आता है, बीइंग अ स्पोर्ट्स टीचर सारे बच्चे हमसे मिलने आते हैं। सो इन द असेंबली और कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म आई गाइड देम टू गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी। वो यूपी बिहार के गरीब घरों से भी बच्चे होते हैं, एंड दे वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर द सोसाइटी। सो दे ऑलवेज आस्क कि मैम हमारे पास तो इतना कुछ पैसा नहीं है। सो इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज कैश, इट इज काइंड। सो व्हाट माय डिपार्टमेंट हम कैसे करते हैं, मेरा फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट, आई इशू देम बैडमिंटन रैकेट्स, फुटबॉल्स, एंड आस्क देम कि आसपास के जितने, जहां आप रहते हो इस टाइम पे, वहां आसपास में जो झुग्गी झोपड़ी के बच्चे हैं उनके साथ 1 घंटा खेलने जाना शाम को। That will give you happiness, that will give happiness to them. And also उस घंटे में कहीं इधर उधर कुछ गलत आदतें सीखें, उनकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होगी, जितना वो फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होंगे वो मेंटल हेल्थ में अच्छा उसको रिकवर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनके घरों में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, आए दिन के झगड़े होते हैं। सो दे कैन वी कैन बिल्ड अ यूथ फ्रॉम द डिप्राइव्ड कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो। तुम जाकर उनको पढ़ा सकते हो। दिवाली पे आई ऑलवेज गाइड माय स्टूडेंट्स, टेक अ ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर सुंदर पेंसिल, कॉपीज, 5 रुपए वाला वो कैडबरी का चॉकलेट, डेयरी मिल्क, जस्ट आपने अपने दिवाली में जो भी एक्सपेंडिचर करना है, आप बहुत लिमिटेड फैमिली से हैं, आप 50 रुपए उसके लिए अलग रखें कि ये मुझे डोनेट करने हैं। आप कैसे डोनेट करने हैं? 50 रुपीज में कम से कम 10 चॉकलेट्स आ जाएंगी। सड़क पर निकलो, जहां बच्चे ऐसे मिले थोड़े से डिप्राइव्ड उसके, उनको दे दो। You will feel happy that you have shared. So how my NGO sometimes work in Diwali, हम कुछ गरीब बच्चों से दिए बनवाते हैं, डेकोरेट कराते हैं, हम उनको थोड़ा सा पेमेंट करते हैं, और उन दियों को हम कहीं और जाकर बच्चों को बांट देते हैं। तो उनको वो ब्यूटीफुल सजे हुए दिए मिल जाते हैं। सो लाइफ में सोसाइटी के लिए पर्पस जब भी अपनी लाइफ का डिसाइड करो, हमेशा डिसाइड करो कि मेरे को ये अचीव करना है, लेकिन इससे जो मैं पैसा कमाऊंगा मेरे को सोसाइटी में ये पर्पस सॉल्व करना है। वृद्धाश्रम है, अभी यहाँ पर यूएस में बहुत डिमांड उठ रही है कि वहां से जो बच्चे आ गए हैं छोटे और पेरेंट्स वहीं पर रह गए हैं, बच्चों को तो भेज दिया ना उन्होंने उनकी जिंदगी के कारण, उनके सर्वाइवल के कारण कि आप इन्हें ले जाओ। माँ बाप वहीं रह गए हैं या किल्ड हैं, उन बच्चों को फोस्टर करने के लिए दे आर डिमांडिंग फैमिलीज टू कम फॉरवर्ड, कि जब तक हम इनका कुछ नेक्स्ट अरेंजमेंट ना करते, फिलहाल हम हमारे को कोई बच्चे ये साथ साथ संभालने फैमिली एनवायरनमेंट में। सोचो राहुल, कितना ट्रॉमेटिक होंगे वो बच्चे। देश छूट गया, पेरेंट्स छूट गए, यू नो इट्स अ वेरी मतलब हॉरिफाइंग कंडीशन। सो ऐसी सिचुएशंस में हम अपने आप को इतना सक्षम बनाएं कि हम उन लोगों की हेल्प कर सकें पूरे वर्ल्ड में। एंड मेरा मैसेज है सबको, अगर आपके हाथ पांव ठीक हैं, आपके पास कपड़ा है, खाना है, आप बात कर सकते हैं, आप बातें समझ सकते हैं, तो आपसे ब्लेस्ड कोई भी नहीं है। सो लिव इन ग्रैटिट्यूड। हर सुबह उठिए और खुशी से कहिए आई एम अलाइव। इफ यू आर अलाइव यू कैन डू मेनी थिंग्स। दैट्स व्हाई मैं बच्चों को स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, सुसाइड, डिप्रेशन इन सब से कहूंगी, इन सब के बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है। इफ यू आर अलाइव यू कैन डू इट।
Really very deep again. So good to know that you are doing so many good things and giving back to community. That community which gave you something, I feel you feel uh, deep, deep within you, and that's why you have strong message, art of giving. When you give, you receive. Give all you have, you receive. The God has different ways. I have felt, and I feel the way. But God has different ways to give you, multiplied what you have given. But do not think you will receive this, just give. And today we have learned so many deep messages, and I feel I will go back to this video again. I would see and point out what I missed out. Truly, just this is a deep core of my heart that I have been looking for answers. We have been through COVID wave 1, wave 2. We have seen a lot of sufferings, pains, and for last 1.5 years, I was looking for the deep meaning of my life. And during this interview, in times I was thinking of the answers. Even last year, I would walk along this time, 10 to 11, and would ask, what is my purpose? What should I do? What's my objective? You know, I would ask myself, I would cry, like what to do now? So maybe this session is very liberating for me. I feel I have the answers.
Rahul,
Maybe,
I am running a program, Genius Within You.
okay.
And according to Wikipedia, genius means the things, a person who can do things differently. And I want to tell everyone that find your genius, because every person can do our things differently. मेरे अपने different ways हैं. I just give an idea to my students. Any student can have a breakthrough session with me that is free of cost, because I want to make everyone realize what attributions they have, what inclination they have towards the society. कुछ लोग देखिए, everybody want to work in a different field. कुछ वृद्धाश्रम में काम करना चाहते हैं, कुछ old लोगों के साथ बड़ा association and communication होता है. Some people can work good with the kids. Some people can work good with the women. एंड एवरीबडी, अगर आपके हाथ पांव ठीक हैं, अगर आप समझने की क्षमता रखते हैं, तो आप अपना नैरो डाउन कर सकते हैं कि what is the purpose which is going to fulfill your life and give you the feeling of accomplishment.
That's beautiful.
So everybody can do things differently for this world. आप बस आंख खोलकर चारों तरफ देखिए, आपको इतने सेक्टर्स नजर आएंगे काम करने के लिए. एक जीवन कम है. What I feel.
So, surely we look forward to this session, and we hope we will find that genius within ourselves. And on this World Mental Health Day, I feel that I have found a lot of answers, and now I know how to fight back negative thoughts. Now I know how to be in that positive mode, how to be happy, and the mantras, a lot of mantras I know, and I will apply in my life. I will be more active physically. I will be more active in doing pranayama. I do, but more deeper breathing is required and more awareness of conscious eating. I've started already, but more is needed. And last, art of giving, being happy. Don't worry about the results. That is something we need to learn, and still we will figure it out. And I feel this day is very well done, and we wish that a lot of people, this video will reach a lot of people, and to share that Dr. Anjum Padyal has made impact in my life to this video, and I feel that I will share this with few people, and do share with your people you know who needs motivation. When I got to know her story, this is really very moving to me. 18 months, my dear friends, 18 months, they might try to kill myself. Why would I live? But she tried to live, and she got rid of all the fears, negative thoughts, and she proved what she's saying. That's what we need in this hour. But we have to believe in ourselves. And the only way is to be optimistic, live in the present, and be hopeful. And keep watching the space. We will share more news. And thank you, Anjum ma'am, for being on the show. And look forward to your guidance in the future.
Thank you so much.